In this video, we will try to get the build process for the BeagleV Fire Gateware running on Windows using Git Bash. I've already done this. I did this about a week ago. I'm starting to forget what I did, so hopefully we can get through this fairly cleanly. Yeah, so here's some links. We'll talk about some of them, and here are the steps. Let's just pop through the steps. As I installed Python. I just did it from the Microsoft Store. Very easy. Then I went into Git Bash. I ran pip on gitpython, pyyaml, and I also had to do it for requests. That was not in the official BeagleV Fire documentation, so I had to do this one. This is an addition. Also missing from Git Bash was the make. So I had to port make in. EX says EX, but it's really EZWinPorts. So um, that went pretty cleanly. We'll walk through what I did there. Then I modified from the official documentation. I where they had a tool setup script. I created one which was a Git Bash version of that. And so you just source that. That sets up some paths for you on where Libero is, where SoftConsole is, where the license is, things like that. And then we'll do a quick example where I cloned my latest gateware project, and then you just run it with Python 3. This script, which is in the top level of your repo. Um, and then I ran it on the custom-fpga-design, my custom-fpga YAML file. Yeah, so let's see if we can make something happen. Again, we'll just walk through each one of these steps here. Install Python, easy peasy. Just store, click on store. Um, thinks for a little bit. Click on type in Python. It gives you a bunch of versions. I picked the latest version, 3.12, and you can see I can open it. It'll give you, probably if I went to this guy, get it, and then install it. So that was easy. Then we went to, opened up a Git Bash. Oh, so on Git Bash, I had to install that from this downloads link. Again, that was an easy install. Git Bash in the app. Make it a little bit bigger. All right, and hit 3, install Git Python YAML requests. The first two were part of the official BeagleV Fire documentation. I had to add requests. Pip 3. And it should have come through saying that everything was already installed or something like that. Anyway, the install went very cleanly. I didn't have any issues. Now the only tricky part is adding the makefile port for Git Bash from Easy Windows. So let's go to the link. Okay, first of all, I got the how to do it off of Stack Overflow by Samuel. Thank you very much. He said to go to EZWinPorts, download the make without guile, and then extract the zip, copy the contents to your git minw-fix64, blah, merging the folders, but do not overwrite and replace any existing files. So usually I just copy one file directory into another. This got me a little scared, so I did one at a time. And it says this guide's several years old, but it worked perfectly for this guy in 2022, and it's working. It worked great for me as well. So you go to this port here. Um, all right, so this is the link that I put in my slides. Let's see. Right here. Control C. Here. Oops. Let's create a new one. Control V. Enter. All right, so we got this list of files here. Not in any particular order. I clicked on the names to sort them. Scroll down to make. For here, make 441 without guile. Left click. SourceForge puts a lot of stuff on your screen. But eventually downloads, and it's down in my download file. So now I can go to my downloads folder. Here it is. Let's create a new folder. Pull it into the new folder. And then I'm going to right click and extract all. Thinking it's done. Okay. So we've got this file structure here. They want to copy these files into the Git Bash area. And so you have to go over to the Git Bash area. So here, already navigated to it. So mine was in the C colon. So this PC C colon. We can try do this. Program files is where Git Bash is. Go to Git. Go to min-gw, and you can see the directories are fairly similar. So then I just went to shared. I went to shared. Went to info. I went to info, and I copied these files. You can see I've copied them over. Then I would go back up, and I just did each directory individually. Man, I'm sure there's an easier way of doing it. Oh, man, copied it over. And so I went through each and every one of the each one of the each one of the folders, and adding this stuff such as bin. I'm sure that was an important one. Copied it over. Go bin. You can see somewhere. You should see I copied it over. Make. So I just kept moving them over one file at a time because his comment kind of freaked me out, wherever that comment was. All right, so that's the only tricky part, getting that to work. I don't even think I had to restart Git Bash to get it to go. And then it was a pretty easy install from there. Let's see. So I did that here. Um, here I cloned. Walk through this. Let's see. So now, oops, I'm in Ubuntu. Sorry. Let's go to Git Bash. mkdir/c/fire. Okay, cd/fire. Okay, and git clone. You can paste it. So I added, this was already there from the official BeagleV Fire account. I forked that and I added this bash here. So then you just source this guy. And uneventful. Let's do a cat of it. So basically what it's doing is it's setting up paths. Where's your SoftConsole? Um, B ls paste. So there's your SoftConsole stuff. Where's your Libero install directory? So one thing that's very important is the version that you end up getting and you downloading. 2023.2 is what I'm using for my BeagleV firework. I need to use 2023.1 for my icicle work. So it's very sensitive on versions. ls paste. So we've got the Libero all tools. And so I went down through and I hacked the script which was on the official site, which was meant for Ubuntu, and I hacked it all, changing the paths, commenting out some of the licensing stuff. I'm assuming that you have a node locked license. Uh, um, and then yeah, after that, pretty much you can get this thing working. And so let's see, pwd, see, /c/fire ls. Let's do a quick example. Control C. I go back over to here. Paste. Turn. Okay. CD gateware, serve on fire. CD down into that pwd. And then ls custom. Okay, and so there's the YAML file we want. And so here we've got the instructions, which is right from the official documentation, except that I changed the path to the custom design. Copy back over here, paste, and run. And let's see if it starts up. So it's going. It's looking nice. There is right here that you saw that DTC error. So I don't know what this means. I tried to do a pip install of DTC, and I think I did that. It didn't help. Um, so I'm not quite sure about that, but the build seems to work fine for what I need. So what I need it for is to actually look at the Libero files. I love the online build process. It's faster than my laptop. But when it works great. When something fails and you have an error, it doesn't give you like the SRR report or anything else to help you debug. So that's why I needed to get something working locally. Um, yeah, I think that's about it. Um, this looks like it's running. So good luck. I hope this helped. And that's all. Bye.